morning students. Now I am going to discuss about history lesson first. When, where and how. In this chapter, we study about medieval period. But the study of history has long been carried under three different levels or periods: ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. It is called the pre-Renaissance of history. This may be due to existing institutions and regional variations. Therefore, these historical developments need to be studied separately. Early medieval period and later medieval period is a part of medieval period. I mean, medieval period between 18th to 12th centuries AD and later 13th to 18th century. The medieval period is the period that falls between the ancient and the modern period. In India, the medieval period is considered to be the time period from the 8th century to the 18th century AD. It is generally divided into two periods: the early medieval period and the later medieval period. Broadly, in Indian history, in the early medieval period, the Pala, the Parthias, the Rashtrakutas, the Cholas, and the early Rajputs ruled in India. And in later medieval period, the Turks, who later established the Delhi Sultanate, various regions, kingdoms, and the Mughals largely dominated the fate of history. Now, features of medieval period. During the 1,000 years, the societies of the subcontinent were transformed and economics in several regions reached a several of prosperity. First, the rise of the Bhakti and the Sufi movements, the foundation of the Mughal Empire by Babur in 1526 AD, the rise of the Marathas and the Sikhs, and economic prosperity attracted European countries to establish trade relations with India. India has been referred to by various names during different periods of history, from Aryabhat to Hindustan, but the term Hindustan did not carry the same meaning during the medieval period. Sultanate and Mughal period told their Indian domain. In the early 16th century, Babur used the term Hindustan to describe the geography, the fauna and the culture of the inhabitants of the subcontinent. In the 19th century, Hindustan as used in English referred to the northern region of India between the Indus and the Brahmaputra, and between the Himalaya and the Vidyas in particular. The term Hindustan was used for the Hindi, Urdu language. In Sanskrit literature, the country is often called Bharat. The Constitution of India used both these names of describe our country, India, that is, Bharat shall be union of states. The Republic of India is called Bharat, while Hindustan is mostly used in historical context. During the medieval period, we find the desire to control the rivers and the land between the two rivers, such as the Ganga and the Yamuna, or the Godavari and Tungabhadra, led to many wars between various powers. Many ports were developed on the two coasts to the trade either with Southeast Asia or West Asia. Sources. Historians depend on a variety of sources to learn about the past, depending upon the period of their study. Source materials provide us reliable information about the events and happened in the past. The medieval period has good examples of written record of history which give us a better insight into the period. Thank you.